Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your LG K32, let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. We are going to get this application from the ZASIC Studio. Click to install. Right now let's click to open, tap to get started, click OK. Then we have to tap on the switcher to turn on the LED keyboard and click OK 2 times. Then go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard. And as you can see here we get available themes, so we can activate one of them. And I think that I'm going to activate maybe this one. Oh, let's try to LED. I think that we can try to RGB full. So click, then tap to download the theme. And as you can see, the theme was downloaded. So right now we can enter, for example, for the messages. And as you can see right now, here we got this LED keyboard on our LG K32. And thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!